Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Cole Schlesinger, Principal Architect at Galois. Today I'll be talking about 5-stars, a new kind of network monitoring tool for improving network security, availability, and resilience. Networks are critical communication infrastructure. Over the past decade, the software orchestrating networks has improved to automatically respond to a wide variety of incidents, from traffic shaping to intrusion detection and mitigation. However, greater capabilities have led to greater system complexity, especially as networks grow larger and connect over more kinds of hardware. This increases the risk of security and availability incidents due to misconfiguration or adversarial action, and also increases the time it takes to investigate and resolve such incidents. In this talk, I'll introduce 5-stars, a predictive network monitoring system we've developed at Galois. It improves incident detection, reduces time to resolution, and reduces operator training requirements. Galois has been developing technology to guarantee the trustworthiness of critical systems for more than 25 years. We've been working with the SIBR program for 12 years, with more than 30 awards and 1 Phase 3 transition. We have also launched 8 spin-out companies to commercialize past technology. The technology driving 5-stars network analysis builds on 10 years of academic research and 5 years of industry R&D. Our team brings deep expertise with the core technology and on product design to turn complex systems into usable products. Navy deployments face some of the most challenging network deployment conditions in the world, with stringent security and performance requirements in the face of heterogeneous infrastructure, localized gaps in availability, and a mix of high and low security traffic. Solutions increasingly lean on software, often called software-defined networking, to orchestrate how networks route traffic, handle congestion, and respond to security and availability events. Increased capability comes with increased complexity, making it more difficult for the warfighter to detect and respond to network incidents. The warfighter needs clear visibility into the state of their systems, automatic detection of security and availability issues, and diagnostic data to investigate and remediate issues as they arise. 5-stars is an enabling technology that continuously monitors network traffic configurations. Under the hood, it uses automated reasoning and mathematical, logical analysis to track every path that every packet can take through the network, check for security and availability issues, and pinpoint the exact locations in the network contributing to any issues found. 5-stars can check for reachability and availability. For example, can every high-security host reach a high-security backhaul, ensuring that connectivity is uninterrupted? It can check security properties, like can any high-security host be accessed from outside the network without first passing through a firewall? And it can check for isolation properties, like confidentiality and integrity, to ensure that there's no crossover when different parties send traffic over shared infrastructure. 5-stars is also proactive in a way that most network monitoring tools aren't. Most tools observe and report where data packets travel, meaning that issues are only detected after a user experiences a problem. 5-stars detects issues as soon as the network configuration changes, allowing for remediation before users are impacted. At its core, 5-stars is a verification engine that analyzes network forwarding configurations to prove security and reliability properties of the network. It's vendor agnostic and easily integrates into existing systems, only requiring APIs that provide access to network configurations. 5-stars reanalyzes the network every time the configuration changes, detecting potential problems in seconds. 5-stars can even be run in a pre-deployment or testing environment, where it can automatically augment existing tests to improve coverage. The 5-stars prototype has been developed under Phase 1 and Phase 2 SIBRs from the Office of Naval Research. The initial prototype demonstrated that the technology could detect complex issues in small networks with a handful of routers. Later work scaled performance to mid-sized networks with tens to hundreds of routers and introduced detailed diagnostic information when problems were detected. We completed an initial investigation of integration with the Ether 5G platform, an industrial-grade open-source 5G platform maintained by the Linux Foundation. Our next step is to conduct a proof-of-concept integration with the Navy SDN platform. We have a primary transition partner lined up for the integration, but we're also interested in other use cases and deployment scenarios that might benefit from 5-stars technology. 5-stars provides several key advantages over other network monitoring tools. Standard network monitoring tools observe network packets in flight and can alert on suspicious or anomalous activity after it happens. In contrast, 5-stars uses the network configuration to analyze all possible paths the packets are able to take before any packets are sent. This allows 5-stars to catch misconfigurations and vulnerabilities before they can be exploited or otherwise impact users. On detecting an issue, 5-stars provides detailed diagnostic information, identifying the location in the network, along with a sample packet and the path it would take through the network to reproduce the problem. 5-stars can be deployed alongside a production network in the field, but it can also be deployed in staging or test environments to catch issues early in the development cycle. Finally, and crucially, 5-stars is vendor agnostic, allowing maximum flexibility for user systems. Our first priority is transition to US Navy SDN platforms. As the Navy develops next-gen interoperable SDN capabilities, 5-stars will play a key role in improving the reliability and resilience of comms across both new and legacy networks. We are also looking for commercial partners and funding to transition 5-stars into network operations and management systems, particularly those focused on SDN orchestration, the 5G software stack, and in production or staging models of network forwarding states. 5-stars is uniquely suited to improve assurance, detect anomalies, and eliminate errors in these kinds of complex network software stacks. We are actively searching for 5-stars use cases that will demonstrate capabilities under rigorous program requirements, including automated, semi-automated, or responsive network configurations, high-security networked systems, and secure transport of both trusted and semi- or untrusted traffic over shared infrastructure. 5-stars is most impactful in complex networking environments with dynamic management requirements. On the industry side, this is most relevant to large cloud service providers, who have sophisticated networking needs in their data center operations, and telcos building cloud-based 5G and next-G deployments. 5-stars also has broader potential DoD applications, fitting perfectly into the DoD organization's growing framework for an investment in more agile, responsive, resilient communications, off-the-shelf components, and vendor-agnostic, non-proprietary software stacks. As the need for both greater flexibility and resilient responsiveness grows, 5-stars offers a uniquely effective solution. Galois has a proven track record of transitioning government-sponsored research into practical tools and products for both industry and government. With 5-stars, we're pursuing two parallel commercialization strategies. First, we plan to incubate and launch a spin-off company to sell and support 5-stars' proactive real-time network monitoring solutions to SGN and 5G partners. Second, we plan to directly license 5-stars' capabilities to select industry partners. Here, we're focusing first on enterprise networking vendors, and we're in active discussions with several potential partners. Within the DoD, 5-stars' capabilities will be delivered and demonstrated for Navy networking applications. These applications can directly transition into existing DoD and intelligence community programs. If you have questions or would like to learn more, please reach out to Mr. Chris Lockett, Dr. Cole Schlesinger, or Dr. David DeReyes. Thank you for your interest in 5-stars.